सो हेलो बच्चों, चलिए जानते हैं आज के वीडियो में क्या कॉन्सेप्ट होता है सेंट्रीपिटल और सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स के पीछे। इसके पीछे का कॉन्सेप्ट हम लोग जान लेते हैं छोटे से वीडियो में। चलिए जानते हैं। ये क्या है ना, सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स। ओके, ये है हमारा सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स। तो इसमें क्या बोल रहा है, पहला पॉइंट है आपका कि दिस फोर्स इज रियल फोर्स। मतलब कि सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स जो होता है वो तो रियल फोर्स होता है, और उसी तरह से सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स इज अ फेक फोर्स। इसका मतलब सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स तो रियल है लेकिन सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स फेक है, मतलब कि वो रियल होता ही नहीं है। और आगे के पॉइंट देखते हैं जिसमें बोला जा रहा है इट एक्ट्स टुवर्ड सेंटर। सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स एक्ट टुवर्ड द सेंटर बट सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स नॉट एक्टेड टुवर्ड द सेंटर, एक्ट्स अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर। ये दोनों फोर्सेस देखने में तो सेम ही लगते हैं, लेकिन एक फोर्स सेंटर की तरफ काम करता है और एक सेंटर से दूर करता है। कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर सर्कुलर मोशन कर रहा है तो उसमें एक सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स और एक सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स लगता है। और इन दोनों में हम एग्जांपल्स से भी समझ सकते हैं। क्या एग्जांपल्स बताते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हैं प्लैनेट्स इज मूविंग आर मूविंग, प्लैनेट्स आर मूविंग अराउंड द सन। In our solar system, the planets are moving around the sun. Means it's a circular motion. It's a circular motion in which all the planets are moving in a circle towards sun. Means the force is acting toward sun is a centripetal force due to which the planets are moving. Okay. And similarly, again one example, a stone is moving in circle. If you do a practical in real life, then you will see that one stone is tied with the one rope. It is simple rope, and if you are moving that stone in a circle, like a vertical circle or horizontal circle, then you will feel a force is acting. The force is acting for the stone toward the center, which is moving by me. Okay. And one also example, that is electron orbit in atom. Oh sorry, here is atom, here is atom. Okay, you will see what that electron orbits in atom means. If you read a chemistry subject, then you will feel, then you will learn that the electrons are moving in an atom, and center is nucleus. Okay, this means this is also a circular motion in which centripetal force is acting, due to which the electrons are moving in a circular motion. And here is the centrifugal force. Here you can see the examples, car taking a sharp turn on the roadside. Means when a car is moving and that takes a sharp turn, means one force is acting on me which helps me to go outside of the car. Means you will feel that I am going outside of the car. Okay. And one more example is also, you will I think you had played in a childhood that merry-go-round. Means in merry-go-round something I want to draw here, like you can see here one thing in circle, and this, like this is here one box is like this. Okay, this and here the childrens are playing, here the childrens are, here children are, here the childrens. I think you had also played in your childhood. Many people played. Okay. And it is moving like this, it is moving like this. When it becomes so fast, then you feel that you are pushing outward, some force is acting on you which push you to go outward of this center, outward of this merry-go-round. Then you feel how this is happening. Actually one force is acting towards center. Here is a centripetal force, but what is the force that is pushes me to go outside of this merry-go-round? So I had taken one example in which you will definitely feel how both forces are acting. Okay, let's go. Here is one example, road. Okay, this is a road, and here is a vehicle which is going in round shape, or this is going like this. I think this is a road, this is going here. Okay, here, but it takes a sharp turn. but it takes a sharp turn. You can see बच्चों here it is taking a sharp turn. It is taking sharp turn. You have to go like this. The vehicle should go like this, but it takes a sharp turn towards circle. Then here the body, your body in car will feels. Here you can take any example like a cycle, like a motorcycle, like a car, and something. No difference is here. Okay, for a physics there is no difference by which vehicles you are going. Okay. So here a car go like this in a circle, then you'll feel that your body is pushed to outward like this. This is an intercentripetal, but here is centrifugal. Here is centrifugal. This is why I am telling you, take a three friends. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, these are three friends. Here A is at rest. He is standing. He is standing on garden or roadside, and in car both friends B and C are present here. Okay, this car takes a sharp turn in circle. Okay, then person A feels that this is doing a circular motion in a circle. This is car moving in a circle. Then A person will what say? He will say that this car is moving in a circle, and both of B and C, my friends, are moving in a circle. Simple. If you are A, then you will definitely say like this, and this is actually happening. This is actually happening, and A will say B and C moves in a circle because of centripetal force. Centripetal force. Simple thing. Okay, this is very simple. This will say by A. Centripetal force is acting, and these both my friends are moving in a circle. But when you come in the frame of motion in a car, this is Chotu, my Chotu friend. This is here, and he's saying that these both are moving. Okay, here B and C are present, but we will come in the frame of vehicle, in the come of car. In the frame of car, then we will feel that B will say to C that we are moving in a circle. This is actually happening, but I am feeling that I am going outside. B will say to the C that I am feeling that I am going outside the car when this is moving in a circle. Then B will tell to C that I think centripetal force is not acting here. Some force is acting here which I don't know, but something is happening here. A force acting on me, and that pushes me outside of the car. Then he means just similar to the centripetal force. Centrifugal force is acting on both B and C. When it will happen? When we have come in the frame of car, not outside. If you outside at rest, then you will see these are moving in a circular motion due to centripetal force. But when you come in the car, then you will feel some force is acting out of the body, means out of the car, opposites of centripetal force. Okay, that is centrifugal. में कोई फोर्स सेंट्रीपिटल का उल्टा लग रहा है तो वो सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स होगा. मीन्स अगर आप उस कार के फ्रेम में जाकर देखते हैं तो आपको पता चलेगा कि हमें कोई फोर्स बाहर की तरफ खींच रहा है, तो वो सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स तो नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स तो सेंटर के टुवर्ड खींचता है ना. तो कोई बाहर की तरफ फोर्स खींच रहा है, वही सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स है. सिंपल, आप समझ सकते हैं. और ये हमेशा उसी फ्रेम में जाकर पता चलता है, ना ही कि बाहर वाली फ्रेम में. ओके, वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट यू विल लर्न. ओके.